In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tab color in Google Sheets. This little customization trick is quite handy for organizing your spreadsheets and making navigation a breeze. Let's dive in. To begin, we'll first open Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's Google's spreadsheet program, where you can create and manipulate data in a grid of cells. Simply head to Google Sheets by navigating to sheets.google.com or opening it from Google Drive. Open an existing spreadsheet or start a new one if you'd like to follow along. Once you have your spreadsheet open, take a look at the bottom where you see the tabs. These tabs represent your different sheets within the workbook. Now, let's say you want to change the color of a specific tab to help you categorize or visually separate it from the rest. This is extremely simple. First, direct your attention to the tab you wish to modify. Hover your cursor over it and right-click. You'll see a context menu appear with several options. From this menu, find and select Change Color. A palette of colors will be displayed, giving you a broad range to choose from. This selection is where you exercise your creativity. You can choose any color that suits your needs or coordinate with whatever system or theme you're working with. Click on the color you prefer, and immediately you'll notice the tab color change. This customization helps to visually separate tasks, departments, or any other data categories you are managing. Once you've got the hang of changing the color of a tab, you might want to apply different colors to other tabs for better organization or consistency across your worksheet. Simply go through the same steps. Right-click the next tab, select Change Color, and click the color you want from the palette. Repeat this process for each tab you wish to customize. Customization like this isn't just about aesthetics. It's about functionality. By utilizing color coding, you streamline the process of finding relevant data quickly without having to scroll through endless lists or sheets. It's useful for team projects, personal budgeting, classroom management, and so much more. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your Google Sheets more organized and user-friendly. Experiment with different combinations and find what's most intuitive for you or your team. As you continue using these color differentiation techniques, you'll likely find that not only does it make your workflow more efficient, but it also makes the process more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you in your data management tasks. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing productivity with Google Sheets and other popular applications.